Lesson 2. Boat Schools, Making Waves in Education. Instead of the students going to school, the school reaches them. Mohammed Rezwan. Bangladesh, a country in South Asia, suffers from terrible monsoons every year. Around 1/3 of the country is flooded during the rainy season. These major floods cause roads to get blocked, and thousands of schools to shut their doors for months at a time. As a result, many children are often denied access to proper schooling. Fortunately, an innovative architect named Mohammed Rezwan has come up with an appropriate and promising solution: boat schools.
The Boat School program was launched in 2002 by Rezwan. Its goal was to provide elementary school children in Bangladesh with education throughout the year. The design of the boats is based on that of traditional local wooden boats called noka. Each boat is about 15 meters long and 3 meters wide. On top of the boat is a weatherproof roof held up by arched metal beams. If the roof were not built with such strong materials, the boat would be damaged by heavy monsoon rains. Inside the boat school looks just like a regular school. It's equipped with tables, chairs, a blackboard, electronic equipment, and multimedia resources, including a computer connected to the internet. All the power needed on the boat is supplied by solar panels installed on the roof. Each boat school can accommodate as many as 30 students and provide basic education up to the 4th grade.
Every morning, 6 days a week, students wait at the docks near their muddy villages for the boat schools to sail by and pick them up. Aside from traditional subjects, students also study environmental topics like biodiversity and water pollution. Each learning session lasts 3 hours. When the session is over, the boat takes the students back to their village and then sails on to the next village to pick up another 30 students for another session. After school, many students receive low-cost solar lanterns that enable them to study at night. Also, in the evenings, the boat schools project educational films onto their sailcloth, which can be viewed by villagers who live nearby.
The floating classrooms benefit not only children, but also adults. They offer onboard training in practical issues like nutrition, health, and hygiene, and human rights. Boat schools also teach adults various farming techniques, such as growing flood-resistant crops. Such training makes it possible for the villagers to increase productivity so as to ensure sufficient food and year-round income. The boat schools even offer lessons on financial management so that people may better manage their money.
The boat school concept has now been adopted by other countries at risk of flooding, including Cambodia, Nigeria, and the Philippines. If these countries didn't have such an innovative program, they would not be able to rise above floodwaters, overcome geographical barriers, and improve their people's lives. Indeed, boat classrooms have created opportunities for high-quality education for both children and adults. By doing so, these schools have provided brighter futures for people living in countries that frequently suffer from severe flooding.